Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick update comparison review between these two CRM tools, which is Zendesk and Close CRM. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Zendesk. Zendesk is perfect for teams that want sales and support in one place. It's user-friendly, integrate well, and work great on mobile. On the downside level, advanced features cost more and automation is limited. Talking about Close CRM, on the other hand, is built for fast sale outreach with email calls and SMS all in one platform. It's ideal for teams focused on closing deals quickly, but it also lacks marketing tools and has a fewer integration. So talking about the pros and cons about the two CRM platform. So starting with Zendesk. So talking about the advantages part of this platform, which is it comes with a combined sales and support, easy to use and good integration. Talking about the downside, it is expensive, especially the premium features, and it has a limited automation. So talking about Close CRM, on the other hand, starting with the advantages part of it, which is the fast outreach and the built-in communication tools, and the downside is the limited integration, minimal marketing features, and that's it. If you find the video helpful, if you did, let me know in the comment section. What's your fix on these two CRM platforms?